So in 1787, is the United States of America was new, and I graduated from high school 200 years after 1787. What year was it? 1987. So why are we looking like I'm a dinosaur? Yes, we did have a computer. It wasn't like you said we did. Yeah, we did. But it wasn't like this, y'all. Trust me. I wasn't using the computer. I was still on a typewriter in 1987. What's a typewriter? She said, what's a typewriter? She said, what's a typewriter? Y'all, we doing the Bill of Rights. My students say, what's a typewriter? You never seen a typewriter before? Oh, wow. Look at the gap. Okay, I'll Google a typewriter. And y'all never seen a typewriter before? How old was I? I graduated in 1987. I was 17 years old when I graduated high school. And then I went to college. I graduated college in 1995. I was 24, 25. I started teaching at like 24, 25 years old. I was 17 when I graduated from high school in 1987. I'm 55. Yes, I am. Thank y'all. You just clocked that. That's the math on that. Y'all looking at me like I'm a dinosaur, like I'm an artifact. I'm not that old. Like, what? The little dust. I'm an OG.